Hello, do you know how to subtract Roman numerals? Okay, if you don't, that's great because we're here to help. Roman numerals are like old-fashioned numbers but for our time now, and subtraction and subtracting them is the same as what we do now. You just need to know the symbols. So, subtracting Roman numerals would look something like this. Let's do a sum of 10 take away 5. Now you know that equals 5. But in Roman numerals, that sum would look like this. So you'd have x for 10, take away, subtract, and then you would put the number 5 in Roman numerals. That's v. And what does that equal? Yes, it equals 5. So that would be your subtraction sum, okay? Or you could go, what is 7 take away 2? So 7 take away 2. And that, what does that equal? Let's go 7 take away 2. That equals 5. So that equals that symbol there. So subtracting Roman numerals is the same as our way of doing it now. It's just using their symbols. So use this information, play the next game, and we'll see you the next one. Bye!